morning, y'all. Just a little bit after 7. I'm getting this pork roast started in the slow cooker for, I'm thinking we're going to do pulled pork sandwiches, or we might just do some barbecue sauce on top of it. Whatever everybody wants to do. So I sprayed my slow cooker, put this in. Now we're going to put this can of pineapple juice in here. A lot of times I use apple juice, but we've got this pineapple juice, so I'm going to use this today. Apple juice and pineapple juice goes really good when you're making like a barbecue pulled pork or whatever. So I put the whole can in, and now I'm going to put a can of water. And I'm looking for my seasoning. I want to use either the Sweet Preacher BBQ Rub or the Touch of Cherry. If I can find either one of those. I bet that all got pushed to the back because those are, you know, we mostly use those in the summertime when we're grilling and stuff. Let's see. Oh, there's one. Yeah, we'll use this one. It's the Three Little Pigs Touch of Cherry. It says it's a sweet blend of cherry, brown sugar, and mesquite. Now, I found this from Lowe's. Walmart does have it on their website, but they don't have it in store. At least our Walmart, anyway, doesn't have it in the store. But you can order it online. It's a little more expensive, though, coming from Walmart. Lowe's normally only has it around summertime. Like, they probably already have it out now since it's spring. I'm sure they're putting out all their grills and all that kind of stuff. All right, I'm going to cook it on high for... I'm going to go 6 hours. That way, if we're a little bit later, it'll still be cooking, and I know for sure that it'll be done. Y'all, it smells like Grandma's house in here. We've got the Kinder's Honey Hot for the pulled pork or hickory brown sugar. We've got chips, plain, and what kind are those?
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Barbecue chips.
We've had a request to cut the cantaloupe. It's kind of soft, but I think it's still fine. And we've got spring mix for salads, cucumber, and some grape tomatoes, I think, yes. It's good too. You want a piece?
Look at that. That's real good.
Which sauce did you use? Hot honey? Honey hot?
That honey hot. That right there is tender.
The honey hot's our favorite with pulled pork. That's my favorite anyway.
Yeah, and you can take something like this right here And just barely dip it in a little applesauce.
With your chips too.
That ain't a bad idea. Pair that up.
It's the next morning, y'all. It rained all day long yesterday. Thunderstorms off and on. Just a very rainy day. It was just one of those watch some movies, stay inside kind of days. And today is starting out the same way, but I think it's supposed to clear up later, at least stop raining later anyway. Just me and Titus are awake right now. His farms got rained out this morning. The place where he was going today, they're having the weather we had yesterday down there today, so it moved to them. They're going to be having thunderstorms off and on all day, so they rescheduled. So we've been up for a little while because he still got up early. I don't even know what time it is out. Yeah, we've been up for about 3 hours already, I think, 2 or 3. I'm going to go ahead and make breakfast. That way when everybody else starts getting up, this will be ready. We're just going to do some little, I'm going to call them egg white delight bites because I'm using egg whites. And I'm going to cook some sausage to put in them. I might have to use some eggs to go with it. I don't know. Well, I don't know. I have a lot of egg whites. We use, we have an ice cream recipe that we've shown y'all before, but it's been a long time ago. It just uses egg yolks. So we always end up with a lot of egg whites in the refrigerator because I don't throw them away. I save them. So that's why I have so many egg whites left over a lot of times. We're on spring break this week. That's another reason I'm just letting the kids sleep late. Wouldn't you know, we had really pretty weather last week. And the week we're taking spring break, today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, I think, are only in the low 60s. But it warms up toward the weekend, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my muffin tin in already while the sausage is cooking.
Hey, Mac.
Did you smell the sausage cooking? I warmed my coffee up and forgot about it. This is still the Panera Bread coffee, y'all. I'm telling y'all, that coffee is great. So when Ingles puts that on sale, we're gonna stock up each time, because it seems like that the sales kind of rotate if you keep up with sales at grocery stores. You know, usually within like 4 to 8 weeks, it'll be on sale again at the grocery stores like Ingles and all. The size bag that we got from there, it's like $13 from Walmart online. Our Walmart doesn't even have it in the store. But when Ingles had it on sale, it was only $5 and something, so less than half price. Yeah, this sausage will start waking them up. Smells and sounds coming from the kitchen. Makes you happy even on a rainy day. Like horses do. You see how horses move their ears? Yeah, I think bears can too. I think. Okay, sausage is done. I know I have enough for 9 of these, so I'm just going to spray 9. And then if I have more, we'll add some more spray if we need to. We're going to put some spinach in each cup. Okay, now we're going to put some sausage. Looks like I'm going to have extra sausage, which is fine. We'll save it, make some gravy biscuits or something with it, or burritos. I'm going to pour these into a measuring cup so I can kind of whisk them. Some cheese on top, and then these are going in the oven. I got it preheated to 375 for about 18 to 20 minutes.